Hey people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your friend Sufyan. In this video, we will unbox the MCQ compiler book of Moni Shora sir, who is very famous for economics and BCK subject. Also, I'll be sharing the strategy how to complete this book within 2.5 months. So let us unbox. The main reason I have purchased this book is all the MDPs and PYQs are at one place in this book, so we do not need to collect all the RTPs and PYQs, right? So here it is. It cost me around rupees 439. What is this? This is sticker, I think. This is second edition for June 2023. See this. These are all topics. Chapter. It looks like. I have ordered black and white. There is also a colored variant which costs slightly more. So the strategy to finish this is there are two ways to complete this book. First one is uh, complete as topic wise, and second way is chapter wise. See, completing topic wise, you'll be finding it interesting to complete because topic studying a particular topic from the module and completing that particular MCQs will be very effective in my opinion. And coming to chapter wise, it takes more time to complete one chapter and completing MCQs of that particular chapter. So doing this book, completing it by topic wise will be more effective. To score 90 plus, you have to mandatorily read study module of ICAI so that you can be scoring good marks in your exams. See, for example, you have completed one topic which is central economic problems. You can complete each and every MCQ after completing that particular topic. You can see MTP March, MTP December, like how you can complete it. Clear your concepts from lecture videos and start reading module immediately after that. Then you have to solve this particular book. You can purchase this book from mvsir.in. So that's all for today's video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.